In this video, I'm going to show you two functions that you can use on the fitted results of a linear models function, I guess we'll say there. So we'll start by actually pulling out a data set, which is just x and y, and I'm going to fit a linear model to it. So the way I do that, I'll just do fit, and then I'll do lm, and I will do y dependent upon x, and I will just tell it where the data lives. It lives in dat there. And so I'd use this if I wanted to find the equation of a regression line through some data points there. And if you recall, I can use this coefficients command to pull the coefficients for the equation of a regression line out of these results for fit. And these indeed are them. And so what I can do here, I can also use two other commands. One I will call fitted, and I can throw fit there. And what that will give me is these values sitting down there. Now what these are all taking the x values that you originally gave in your data set, and they're plugging them in to the equation of a regression line. So in essence, they're taking what we have here, dat $x, and they're multiplying them times, well, this guy here, remember, has two values in him. And so the first value in him is going to be the intercept. The second value is going to be the slope. And so I'm just going to multiply there. And then I'm going to add on the slope part of this. And if we notice, all my values match up. I get 479, 0.479. So all this fit's doing is taking the original x data values and plugging them into the equation of a regression line. And then the second thing, well, actually I will clear that off there for a second. The second thing I want to show you is this other function called residuals of fit, and I'll clean this out down here. And what this will do is give you another set of values back here. And what this is the difference between the original y values that you inputted and then those fitted values we just calculated. So what you will get from that, if I take the original y values, which are sitting in dat $y, and I subtract away these fitted values that we just computed. And if I run that line there, you'll notice I get the exact same things. So I have just two functions that sort of speed this operation up. One is taking the x values, plugging them back into our equation of our regression line and finding some y values. And the other one's actually finding the difference between our original y values and those ones that we just computed. So that's what the residuals and the fitted functions do there.